This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the SeeThruEquity MicroCap Investor Conference, New York City 2014. I have with me Mr. Bob Schneiderman from ScripsAmerica. It's a publicly traded company, and the symbol is SCRC. Bob, welcome to SNNLive.
Thanks for having me, Shelley. I appreciate it.
It's good to have you. Let's get an overview of the company, all about Scripps.
Well, that will take a long time, but ScripsAmerica is a public company. We distribute pharmaceuticals to independent pharmacies. We have distribution facilities in Florida as well as in Tennessee, and we have a compounding pharmacy specialty operation in Clifton, New Jersey.
Now that's interesting, because the compounding is where you mix the pharmaceuticals. Am I correct?
Yes, it is. What happens is the doctors will write prescriptions for their patients. That will in turn be forwarded to our billing and pharmacy services. The billing company will see if in fact the insurance that the patient has will cover this particular prescription. If that's the case, then they will send the prescription over to our pharmacy in Clifton, and then depending on the particular prescription and the components thereof that the doctor has recommended, they will make it special order to the particular patient, and within 48 hours it is shipped by FedEx out to the patient.
So my question is, why Scripps, number one? And number two, in this day and age, what I'm hearing is that these big pharmacies don't do a lot of their own preparation. Am I correct?
That is correct. The larger pharmacies and drug companies do not do custom type of product. The beauty and the advantage of compounding is it avoids having to use opiates or addicting type of pharmaceuticals, which can cause problems and interactions and habits that are unfortunately not good habits with the patients. We specialize mostly in pain and scar creams, and those creams are non-addicting, easy to apply, and the results seem to be much, much better. Our case studies have shown that.
Now, what's your background?
Well, since I'm a little bit older than most people, I started as a owner of a company in Philadelphia that did personnel recruiting. Then in 2010, after some successes and failures, I transitioned over to the medical supply field, and in 2010 founded ScripsAmerica. Started out with distribution through some of the larger distributors like McKesson, and then in the last year and a half we've transitioned again to basically supplying on the supply side just to independent pharmacies to fill their needs, which the larger distributors are not able to do. And then, of course, in February of this year, we started our compound pharmacy.
It sounds to me like you found your niche. Now, when you look ahead towards 2015-16, where do you see Scripps headed?
Fortunately, on the upside, we have shown tremendous growth since February of this year. We are looking at expanding our facility in addition to expanding our product line. Also, we have a product that we're waiting for final approval from our distributor in Hong Kong for a RapiMed product, which is an oral delivery technology product, and then our initial one is geared to children.
I have one more question that I want to ask you.
Sure.
Are you a manufacturer or are you a distributor, because you are a compounder?
That's a very good question. We are a distributor. We are not a manufacturer. While the pharmacists and the technicians do compound to order, by the definition of manufacturer, we do not fulfill that particular definition. So we are not a manufacturer.
And you are a distributor.
We are definitely a distributor.
Okay, let's give the website out for the investor audience, please.
Sure. We have two websites. The first is ScripsAmerica.com. That's spelled ScripsAmerica.com. And the one for our RapiMed product is RapiMeds.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Bob Schneiderman, ScripsAmerica, publicly traded company, and the symbol is SCRC. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're at the SeeThruEquity MicroCap Investor Conference 2014 right here in my hometown of New York City. Thanks, Bob, for coming.
Thanks for having me, Shelley.